iPhone XR, and let me show you how to reset location privacy on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down and choose general. Then let's scroll down again and tap reset. Here let's select reset location privacy right here. So this will reset your location privacy settings to factory defaults. If you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that operation, let's choose reset settings. That's it, reset location and privacy is done. Now you may go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.